Welcome to Adventures with Becky. In this video, I'm going to take you to the Cottom firework display in Poulton-le-Fylde. It's one of our local displays. So let's check it out.
background.
Hi everyone, I've just returned to my car. That was a very busy firework display, the Cottom Hall playing fields in Poulton-le-Fylde. It was very good, 10 out of 10 for the effort. Well done to the organisers. I'm just going to return home, and before I do that, I'd just like to say thank you for watching my video. If you've liked my content, please like and subscribe and comment in the comments section and press the bell button. That way my channel will grow further. Thank you very much to the 200 subscribers who have already subscribed, and I will see you next week. I will upload my next vlog next week. So until then, have a good week and see you next time, guys.